So guys, I tagged you in the Facebook video, or if you've seen me on my Facebook. I'm about to show you how you can make 500 to 1,000 a day. Because I'm making the same amount of money right now. Just today, January 25th, in 2 hours, I made $900. And here it is. This month alone, I think I should make around $2,500. And it only takes 5 minutes a day. All you do is buy and sell. Buy and sell. So easy. And what is it I'm talking about? I'm talking about stocks. Buying stocks and selling them. Even if you don't know what a stock is, I'm going to show you every step. Because it's so easy. I took training classes. I got friends that do it. I know exactly what I'm doing. I'm going to show you a bunch of stuff now. I just written it all down. Stocks and options. Stocks is totally different from options. You can make so much more money with options than you can with stocks. Which I'll explain that. I'm going to show you an example. If you think you can't make any money. Amazon. Everybody knows what Amazon is. In 2005, it was $10 a share. Amazon today is $3,100 a share. If you bought $1,000 of Amazon back in 2005, you would have $1.2 million right now. And everybody should know what Tesla is, the electric vehicle. It came out in 2010. That was also $10 a share back then. Nobody was into electric vehicles. So not many people bought into it. Tesla now is $800 a share. It plans on going up to $3,000 a share by 2025. So if you have money, you should invest in this. I'm gonna buy me a share or two. But if you bought Tesla at $10 a share in 2010, you would have $160,000 right now from $1,000. If you only invest a little $1,000 back in, so as you see how easy it is, you have to know what you're buying, because you can easily lose it all. I've seen a video online, an 18-year-old, his mom gave him $10,000. He was doing options. He spent the whole $10,000 in 5 days, and with options, it's a 50-50. You can either win it all or lose it all. He lost the whole $10,000 because he had no clue what he was buying. I'm going to give you a freebie right now. It's a brand new electric vehicle coming out. It's a brand new company. It starts production in June. So right now, they plan on merging with another company. So right now, they do not have no stock name, so you can't buy stock right now. This week or next week, they might have a stock name, and I'm buying thousands of dollars. So I plan on making $150,000 by 2025. Or maybe 2027. I plan on retiring. Quit my full-time job right now, making $50,000 a year, and just do stocks. The average person does stocks for 3 years and they quit their job. I see myself maybe 5 years. So Lucid Motors is better than Tesla. The battery lasts up to 500 miles. Tesla will last up to 300. Charge time is 20 minutes. Tesla is 1 hour. And right now, they have a pre-stock, which you can't buy it yet. It's $25 a share. Unbelievable. Imagine you bought $1,000 right now. In 2025, you can have over $100,000. Stocks is unbelievable. I'm buying at least $1,500. And maybe even $2,000. But Has anyone ever heard of Bitcoin? Crypto. Came out in around 2000. It was only like $10 a coin, or even $5 a coin. No one got into it really. In December of 2020, it was 18,000 a coin. It went from 18,000 to 40,000 in 30 days, and the drop right now is $30,000. I don't have 30,000, but you can buy half a coin, or you can buy 1,000. You can buy fractional shares on the app I use. Prediction by 2022, they predict it's gonna be $80,000. So you invest 30,000 today. By 2025, $250,000 to $500,000 you will have in 5 years if you invest the $30,000 today. You invested half of that, you will have $250,000 maybe. I'm investing in it. How about you? And why I'm showing you this video today? So I'm starting my own stock program. If you want to join me, I will need everybody's phone number, because I'll be testing you multiple times a day. I'll be telling you exactly what to buy and when to sell. If you want to make as much money as me, or you want to make more money than me. This is what I showed you. The first month is $40 a month only. Then $20 every other month, if you do stocks only. Now, if you want stocks and options, it's $40 every month. Because you can make triple what you can make with stocks. So if you ever want to get into stocks and learn how to do it, make tons of money. Only mostly $20 a month only. You're not going to find this though. I see tons of other stock people selling it. They want $100 a month, $80 a month. I even see $150 a month. Now, options are a lot harder to explain. An option is a contract between a buyer and a seller. So you'll be buying contracts, not stocks. One contract is 100 shares. So when you buy a contract, you put one. So you get 100 shares. Now, if you bought stocks, AMC, we just put AMC stock, $10 a share, did that times 100, you're going to pay $1,000. Now, if you did 100 shares of this, you might only pay $100. Because you get it at a discounted price. Now, the difference between a stock and an option is, a stock, you can keep it forever. If it goes down, you can just wait it at and it'll go up and up and up, and you can sell it. Now, an option has an expiration date. Every Friday, you can pick a date. Now, if you buy an option at January 29th, since that's really high risk, and if that was an option, it's a 50-50 deal. You can win all your money, you can lose all your money. The most you can lose, the amount you pay for the option, which could be $100 or a few $100. So if you buy a January 29th and you say you paid $100 for that, if you want to, the further date you extend it, the less risk you have, because you can wait after time to sell it. So this might be $250 then. When I buy options, I buy a further date, like February 19th. I got a few of them already. I got one or two at February 5th. So this might cost $500. And this might cost $700. Because there's more guaranteed chance that the stock will go up above what you paid for it. So I'm going to do an example. We say you bought it tells you the share price is $2.53. So if you bought a $2.53 and it went up, it's like your stock, you sell it anytime you want. When it goes up to $2.63, you might have made $200 profit already, or even $500 profit. If you want to sell it, you can. Then it might dip down. Then if it shoots back up, it might go 275. You could have just made $800 right here. You have to sell before the expiration date you pick. Now, if it dropped all the way down here, or even when you bought it, it dropped downhill, and it doesn't go back up past what you paid for it, you lose all your money. So if it's February 28th or February 29th, and market closes at 5 p.m. and it's already 4 p.m. and it's still down here below the 53, you lost $700. That's why when it goes up a little bit, you sell it. Or if you're really above the money, you can wait it off. If it's on June 29th and it doesn't expire to February 19th, you have 2 weeks for it to keep going up. You drop down a little bit. As long as it's above 253, you're good. You can make double, triple, even 10x the money as you can with stocks. But this is high risk, because you can win it all or lose it all. It's like the other casino and betting on red or black if you do that gambling thing. Which I never gamble, because it's a waste of money and you always lose. So far, I won every single option I did. I've done 7 options already. If you don't start, you should get your own book. Because you need to write down what are some good stuff to buy and how much profit you make. Because you can never remember. I started December 23, 2020. Since the stock market is only open Monday to Friday and it's closed on holidays, I write down how much money I make every day. If I buy and sell on the same day, or buy and sell a few days later, or I keep it long term, that's how much I made. On January 1st, this was just good. As you see, 184, 70, 40, 75, 202, 571. No, yeah, that's how much I made. That's how much I made in that week. Now, if I put it over in front of it as options, $800 in one day, just from one option. That blows the whole everything away. And you got 10, 201, closed for the holiday, 160. These are stocks only. Then an option that's 100. And today, I got $950 just from an option. So if I keep going, I should probably make about $2,500 maybe. So for everyone that knows me, that's not on my Facebook, go on my Facebook and send me a message and tell me you want to join my program. There's 2 ways you can pay me: by cash or by PayPal. Matt Punch Guy on Facebook. That's how you find me. Or if you see me at my job, come up and tell me. And one more last thing. I'm going to put a link to the app in the description of my YouTube video. Sign up with my link. I will get a free stock and you would get a free stock. So far my brother joined. I got a free stock and he got a free stock. So my link will be in the description. Oh yeah, and this app is commission free. It shows you no fees whenever you make money.